Hello folks, Stinky Tuna here, and today I'm mixing it up a little bit. I'm doing an indie game spotlight. Today's game is, as you may have noticed from the title here, is Risk of Rain. And I'm doing this because I really want to show people that this channel is not all about just, big title games and so on and so forth. Like AAA titles and all that stuff. You will see me doing those kind of games, but I really do have a supreme fondness for indie games, especially really well done indie games, for real. And right now, indie developers are coming out with some fascinating stuff, and they're just getting better and better. And right now, I kind of think that, indie development, indie games is where this industry is headed, because these guys have a lot of passion for what they do. Not that the people working for these big title game stuff don't have the passion, but people doing indie games they're in control. They're not as fueled by the bottom line and monetization as big titles, AAA titles, and larger companies, and therefore they put a lot of effort into wowing the user as opposed to getting the user to give them more money or extra content, stuff like that. This is my personal opinion. This is in no way a fact, but I feel like a lot of people would probably agree with me here. Having said that, though, my little rant, let's get into Risk of Rain. This is kind of like a scrawler game where you are on a hostile planet with a character that is supposed to get to a teleporter and pretty much survive. I've unlocked one character other than the main character, and that's the commando. He's got some abilities, double tap, blah, 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 blah. And this is the one I kind of like using more, which is the enforcer. He's got riot shotgun, shield slam, which is kind of cool, knocks enemy back. Protect and serve, take a defensive stance, and you kind of just rapid fire shotgun from that slow blocked stance. And you got crowd control, which is you shoot a mortar out. Okay, let's play. I've just started playing this game, so not particularly good at it, but I feel like I've gotten a decent hold of the gameplay. Also, in other news, I recently ordered a new microphone and a webcam so that you guys can be able to watch me play, because I know that's super exciting for some reason. But yeah, I'm super excited to show you my ugly mug and get a little more interaction going on with the crowd here. But will I in fact show you my ugly mug? I feel like a webcam is necessary, but I don't know if I really feel like showing my face, so I don't know how exactly that's going to work out. Alright, let's get to this. Find this skin teleport. I will say this game does have a lot of replayability because nothing is really ever in the same place. I guess you'd have to play a lot to ensure that something's in, before you see repetitive places. You do see the map. You do play some of the same maps or the same kind of terrains over and over again. Oh, there's the teleport. I hit that. And once you hit the teleporter, you have to survive for 90 seconds. And then the enemies will stop spawning. You can start killing them all, and you can take out the big boss here. So, job is just to survive for 90 seconds. And I bet you, if I hang out on this ladder long enough, you're going to see some of these jellyfish come out. There they are, right in the top right. God, they are the freaking worst. I hate them so much. They're the bane of your existence in this game. Crowd control with some mortar action. Fire again. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Get out of here. Get out of here, jellyfish. God, I hate those jellyfish. Pow! Oh, come on. Yeah. Suck it. 5 seconds. Oh. Oh, sorry, 35. Come on. Just waiting for more of those jellyfish to pop out. Chest down here. So you can see you have your money in the top right hand corner. And you can see how much everything costs right around the chest that you're looking at. That is unstable watch. Pause time for 7 seconds. Oh, sweet. Does that mean if I pause time for 7 seconds, I can move and the enemy can't? That's the shield slam. Going down. Back off. So you can see him in that defensive position, kind of moving backwards. And rapid firing that shotgun. Putting my enemies off. I think he can jump up here. There we go. Pow. I will also note that this game has one of the coolest scores or soundtracks, what I call it, that I have heard on an indie game in quite some time. Probably since Minecraft, actually. I really like the music for this game. It's really immersive. And if you can immerse a player in your game using just the music, you're on the right. For real. Music is just a huge part that can get really overlooked sometimes. But it's like relaxing and adventurous at the same time. I can't explain it. A little crowd control in here. Get out of here, Colossus. He should die quite soon. He's dead. Boom. He drop him for me. Gain a shield. Your shield would charges when out of combat. Sweet. Gotta kill all that shit up there. How am I gonna do this? Defensive position. Guys out. Down. Ow. One more left. Oh, he's all the way up there. One thing I'm going to do after I'm done here is look for some more chests to open. See if I can grab some more items. Items are a huge thing. Drones are also a huge thing. If you can find a drone, drones are a pretty key part to this game because drones they'll heal you, they'll kill enemies, they'll give you shields, they'll do multiple different things depending on the drone. Oh, there's an item thing right there. I only know what one of these is, so I'm gonna go with this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, so this, that one. That will grant me bonus damage to healthy monsters. Oh, there's a chest over here. What do I get? Nothing. Nice. Killing enemies surround you with icicles. I'm up in Massachusetts right now. That sounds like a very appropriate ability. Oh, they can stack? That is awesome. I know you can get like time bonuses, achievements if you finish the map in a certain amount. I don't particularly care about that right now. What's in here? That. Hurt enemies by falling. Oh, sweet, I can see the ability of that one. Oh, dang it. I took damage that time. I've seen this little obstacle on the that I just dropped from before. It's to me it's quite tough. To others it's probably really easy. To me it's quite tough. God, I love the music in this game. The music alone makes this game worth playing, it really does. Move over a little bit. There we go. Go, go, go. Oh, so close. There we got it, yeah. What's this? Healing damage heals you, hell yeah. Alright, let's get out of here. It's a good thing I went for those power-ups. I feel like a boss now. Do this. Come on. Gotta get the teleporter. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, let's advance to the next level. Cha-chow! I've only made it past this map once. That's how little I've played this. Healing drone! Oh, I don't have any money! That's what I want. In healing drone. Man, listen to this music. This music is awesome. Chill. I want to get that healing drone before I get to that teleport. Come on. Back up. Oh man, this dude's gonna mess me up. Holy crap. Wow, I'm getting messed up really bad right now. Get out of here. Get out of here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Really use that drone right now. Oh, here comes jellyfish. Wonderful. Exactly what I want. Freaking jellyfish coming to kill me. Get away, get away, get away. Go. Yeah, alright. The enemy surrounds me in icicles. That can kill the enemy. Go away. Oh my god. Enemies are much tougher in this map. Go away. That giant dude that just spawned down there. Popped him. Oh, I have enough for that drone. I think that's all I want right now is that freaking drone. So I'll go do that, then I'll hit the teleporter. Oh my god. No, that's not. This is not fun. Just kidding it. Oh, there's a drone. Go to the go, go, go! Get away. Yes! Beautiful, beautiful. Go away, go away, go away. Oh, just when... Come on. Oh no, it's the magma monster. Oh, he comes right for me. There's no escaping this dude. Oh my god, everything's coming after me. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. Come on. Fill me up, drone. Oh, I think that magma monster killed the enemies, too. Look at all these jellyfish. Holy crap. I can't even win right now. Guys, if you have suggestions, leave them in. Oh my god. That must have been my icicle destroying him there. Yeah, if you guys have tips on how you can keep me alive, please leave them in the comments section so I can get better at this game. Of course, I can always look this stuff up on YouTube or Google, but I'd much rather get the interactive experience from you guys. Wow, ouch. Oh my god, look at this whole group of jellyfish coming. This is the worst. Oh, shite. He's coming. Ah. There we go. You're almost dead. I'm almost dead. Got him. Yeah! Right now I gotta kill everything here. Awesome. I feel so good about myself that to kill all this stuff. I'm gonna wait till I'm at full health. That's what I'm gonna do. Bam, 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 bam. Oh man, that sounds really. Yeah, I can do this here. Oh, doesn't seem too bad. Oh man. Whoa! I just messed them up. Let's do this one more time. Knock them all back with the shield smack. I'm getting a little bit better at this. Getting a little bit better. Yeah. Oh man, look at these icicles kill these guys. Ow. 18 enemies still left to kill. Holy crap. Bet they're all these giant white dudes. Always with Whitey, all the time. Go, 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 go. Yeah! I found a spot. You can't get to. Watch this, they kill me. You're done. 10 enemies still left. Holy crap. Look at all this money I got now. Oh, this dude. That dude's gonna F me. Yellow. Gotta get it. Get away. Get away from me. Oh, sweet. I'll do this. I'll do this. I'll do. Of course one will spawn behind me. Just need to kill one of you. Yeah, get those icicles going. Those icicles will help me kill these guys. Yes. Just gonna do this the only way I feel safely way to do this. Especially with this jerk who does tons of freaking damage. You're done. You're done, kid. Oh, I got him all. Sweet. I can go buy more shit. Go buy something down there later. Look at all this money! Can I stack that? Well, it doesn't do anything. Same thing I just had. Just wasted my money. Alright guys, I'm not gonna bore you with this here. But this is pretty much the first two maps or levels, as you'll probably call them, a scrawler like this. They're pretty much the first two levels of Risk of Rain. They do vary a little bit with the map layout and teleporter location. But this game is a hell of a lot of fun. The music is awesome, and I think this was really well done. It's got this nostalgic feeling with all this pixelatedness going on, but the frame rate is really superb. So this game, man, I like it. I really enjoy it. And I think that anybody who likes scrawler games would also like this as well. So if you haven't tried Risk of Rain, it's $10 on Steam. I think that's the regular price. You might at some point find it on Steam for a more or less expensive price or whatever. But I think it's worth every penny. Heck, I'd pay $20 for the game. So Risk of Rain, awesome game. I really like it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long and bore you guys with anything. Anyway, that's my indie game spotlight here, and I look forward to seeing more from these developers, because I really am growing quite fond of indie developers and indie titles. Alright, you guys, don't forget to keep it stinky. Alright? I'm Stinky Tuna.